This is a Kenworth rollback tow truck available at Midco Sales in Chandler, Arizona. This truck features a California-compliant Paccar engine with an automatic transmission. The Jerr-Dan 6-ton rollback body has a 22-foot steel deck and a 3,500-pound wheel lift with L-arms. And it has a Ramsey winch. In the ditch, toolboxes are mounted on each side of the truck with a selection of tow gear included. An air coupler and jumper terminal are installed on the passenger side. Inside it has seating for 3. Midco Sales is the Jerr-Dan dealer in Arizona. Visit us online to see our full tow truck inventory.